What she means is, my mommy washes everything nice in Ivory Snow. And Mommy does. Mommy knows that with Ivory Snow, fine table linens stay fresh and lovely. Woolen blankets come out fluffy and soft. Curtains and bedspreads keep their fragile beauty. The reason? Because, as she says, Ivory Snow is safe. In fact, it's the safest possible soap you can buy. Ivory Safe. 99 and 44 100% pure. And today, when so many nice things are washed by machine, it's good to know that Ivory Snow's granulated, which makes it so efficient in any kind of washer. The only soap both Ivory Safe and granulated. What's more, Ivory Snow's the safest possible soap for nice baby clothes, too. It gets everything baby wears, and especially diapers. So clean and soft, free of irritating deposits that might chafe her tender skin. And that's why she's so happy to say, my mommy washes everything nice in Ivory Snow.
Everybody knows babies are hard to photograph, but not impossible if you start with a happy baby. To get that happy baby, feed him well, love him a lot, and keep him comfy with safety soft baby clothes washed in Ivory Snow. It's the safest possible soap, the only soap that's Ivory Safe and granulated for efficiency in your machine. Diapers washed in Ivory Snow always come out light as air, clean as sunshine, far softer than if washed in strong soaps and detergents, and free from irritating deposits that can chafe baby's tender skin. Ivory Snow treats baby things as gently as you treat baby himself. So for happier babies and smilier baby pictures, get diapers and baby clothes really clean, gentle clean with
Wonderful Ivory Snow. So gentle.
These two blankets are twins, born and shorn of the very same sheep, made on the very same machines, identical in every way until they were sold and parted. One blanket was very lucky, for it found a home with people who knew how to take care of fine things. Through the years, this blanket stayed soft, thanks to Ivory Snow, the only soap both Ivory Safe and granulated for efficiency in the machine. Now condensed to go farther, wash better too. Then, one day, the twins met. And what a difference the years had made. One, fluffy and soft, washed in the safest possible soap, Ivory Snow. The other, done with a wash day detergent, stiff and matted by comparison. The moral, take care of all the nice things you do by machine with new, condensed, wonderful Ivory Snow.
Every girl feels like a storybook princess when she shows off her trousseau. Delicate lingerie, lovely linens, romantic little breakfast frocks, and a blanket that's a dream of beauty. And this princess knew how to take care of her lovely things. Now, married in her own little castle, she washed them by machine with, not with that wash day detergent. Nice laundry deserves the safest possible soap. That's it, Ivory Snow. It's the only soap, both Ivory Safe and granulated to get things really clean, gentle clean. Leaves blankets far softer and fluffier than wash day detergents. Pampers pretty colors, too. So whether your trousseau is still in the honeymoon stage or has seen many wash days go by, get it gentle clean in the machine with wonderful Ivory Snow. So gentle.
Ivory Snow in your washing machine leaves all nice things so gentle clean, so gentle clean, wonderful Ivory Snow.
Gentle clean? That's Ivory Snow. Look at these lovely bath towels, identical before washing. Done the same way, but one with a detergent, the other with safe, gentle Ivory Snow. After 20 washings, the detergent towel looks pretty good. But look at the Ivory Snow one. Makes this seem skimpy, feels stiff and scratchy. The Ivory Snow towel's downy soft, deeply fluffy, still new looking. So to keep things lovely, not just towels, but everything nice you do by machine, use Ivory Snow, the safest possible soap. Only soap that's granulated for efficiency, and Ivory Safe to get things gentle clean.
Gentle clean, so gentle clean, wonderful Ivory Snow.